Sawadika, hello everyone and welcome to Sawadee Thailand. Nice to see you. Today will be another episode that will be still talking about Thailand Pass because it's still being a very big issue for everyone who enter Thailand. You need Thailand Pass, TP. Everyone are thinking Thailand Pass wasn't easy, but if you do it right, it's not that hard, okay? But there are some tricks, some tips that I would like to share with you, so you know how to apply. Maybe from the end of this video, you will say, I should have known this before. If you are planning to apply Thailand Pass to coming to Thailand, don't miss this video because I will be sharing some of the good tricks that you have not known, or maybe some of the trick is new, you have not heard about that before. So let's check it out right now. The first tip that I would like to sharing with you, this one is just released about 5 days ago. All of you who applied the Thailand Pass, you'll be able to check your status by 6 digits, okay? After you apply the Thailand Pass, register already, the system will generate you 6 digits. Reply back to your email, and after that you can use this 6 digits to check your status. So this one had just starting about 4 or 5 days ago. At the beginning, the system did not generate you the 6 digits when you apply. But now, every application that you have started to apply to register, they will giving you 6-digit reply back to your email. And after that, if you want to check your status, whether your status is being approved or which status, any document they require, you just need to use these 6 digits and the email that you apply. 3 things that you need to use for check your status. So from now, but for some of you who already applied the Thailand Pass early on, and they don't have 6 digits, don't worry. Once they approve, they will email back to you the QR code back to your email. Just keep checking to your inbox. And the second tip that I would like to sharing with you is how to upload your vaccine, okay? Because from our past experience, the more concern of the Thailand Pass is the vaccine. Every time we uploading the vaccine at the right place in a good position, we got approved fast. This is our opinion. So from what we have done, if you upload your vaccine not correct way, it will take longer. They were asking you to upload your certificate of vaccine, dose 1 and dose 2. What you do, you uploading the full page of the first sections. And then after you upload the first section, they were asking you, if you have QR code of the vaccine, please upload. So you just tick that and then you upload just a QR code for the vaccine only. So you just need to cut and crop just for the QR code and then upload into the right place, right position. Leave the square is just to the right place, not too over the square place and not too less to the square place. So make it just right like this. Then the system will read your vaccine very easy. So they use automatic reading to help them to read the vaccine. If you uploading your vaccine and the QR code in the proper way, you will get approved faster. Another tip that I would like to share with you is from the last 3 or 4 days, you cannot cut and paste for the rest of your document up into the system to upload. Before, at the early stage, you can cut and paste. Okay, so make it faster, make it easier. But right now, the system only allow you to cut and paste the address of the hotel you stay and the address of your home country. That's only 2 things that they allow you to cut and paste, okay? The rest, you cannot do that, you need to type, okay? But if you do one for you only, it's fine. But if you're doing for 10, 100 Thailand Pass, this is not good. The system, they want you to retype with your passport detail, everything by manual, okay? Cannot be cut and paste. Only allow for address, your home address and the hotel, that's all. And number 4 that I would like to share is when you upload your document, this is very important, especially your passport. In the system, they're showing you upload this way, not that way. First of all, you need to do a proper scan or taking a good photo of your passport photo. You need to have it straight and with the lights on. So the system can see very clear of your passport. And when you upload, you must do exactly like what the system showing you. Do like this, do not do like that, okay? In that case, if you follow the instruction, you will get, this is another tip that to make your application approved faster. And number 5, a lot of people still wonder how long the Thailand Pass will be issued. Usually after you apply the Thailand Pass, they will say within 1 to 7 days. Before you apply Thailand Pass, leave the timing is about maximum 7 days, because it can be 1 day, it can be 2 days, it can be 3 days. But from our experience, usually it will generating about 3 days, okay? Before, it used to have instant approve. At the first week of the Thailand Pass system, we did receive the instant approve by the Thailand Pass consulate in Thailand from the system. If you upload it right, you have received the instant approve. When I'm saying instant, like after you submit, it came back approved in about a few minutes. But I didn't see instant approve for about in the past week. The fastest one that we received is about 1 or 2 hours. If some of you still receive instant approval, you can let me know about it, comment whether you receive in that in like 1 or 5 minutes or something, okay? This is from our experience, but usually about 80% it will take around 3 days. And before I'm going to the number 6, I would like to thank you for your great support to our channel and using our service of in the past. Some of you repeating customer like 4 times. Thank you so much. And welcome also if you're just meeting my video first time. My name is Jang and I'm a host of this channel, Sawadee Thailand, giving you information, updating about incoming to Thailand. So if you don't want to miss it, so please consider to subscribe to this channel. Okay, so now let's go to number 6. This one is another good trick one also, because now they're starting asking you when is you expecting about departure date. Before they didn't ask, they didn't care about this, okay? But now they're asking you, expecting about your departure date. Some of you, they say, I don't know, I want to stay in Thailand, maximum I can, you know. But then you need to put your expect of your departure date. Even you don't have the return ticket, okay? So what to do is, you use the estimate of your insurance duration cover. Otherwise, because if they're considering, because if you're thinking that, oh, I want to stay 1 year, and your insurance that you upload and you purchase is 60 days, it might be rejected, because this is how they look at that, because they want your insurance to cover the period of your stay. So if you don't have the return ticket, doesn't matter, they don't care, they don't mind. But the trick is, if you put your departure date exceed of your insurance, it might be rejected. Try to put the minimize of the date of departure to not exceed of your insurance. A lot of you buying 30 days only. 30 days, 60 days, 90 days. So no matter how many days you're buying the insurance to cover your stay, put the departure date not exceed of your cover of duration of the insurance. In the Thailand part, it's not just auto-proof, okay? It's not just automatic reading your information. There are people looking at the random of the application also. Look at the vaccine at the random, very clear. Some people they say, where is 1 dose? Where is the 2nd dose? The date is matched or not? Only the random that they're checking a very specific thing. This is the trick. If you want to put the expectation of departure, you must put not exceed of your insurance. The 7 that I would like to share with you is, as we know that the system only accept the JPEG and PNGs. You need to put in these 2 categories. If you have PDF, it will not accept. You can upload, but they will reject later. And that will wasting your waiting time, okay? So make sure you put your PNG and JPEG image before you upload. The system will not reject right away after you upload. If the system reject right away, so you will realize you will not losing, you will know that, oh, okay, I cannot. They let you upload and then they reject in the next 2 or 3 days, maybe they reject later. So it will wasting time. Another trick is they only allow you to upload 1 file only. But what about if you have 2 or 3 pages? There are 2 things that you can do is you just save things or document in 1 file. Or another trick is upload 1 page only, especially when you want to upload insurance. Most of the insurance company giving you 3-4 pages with the name, with the detail, with the policy, 1, 2, 3, a lot, let's say 3 or 4 pages, but the only page that you need is the page that with your name and policy number and the stating of cover amount of minimum 50,000 USD with the cover of the wording COVID-19. Okay, this is the main key thing that they're looking for. The main policy of the sickness of the accident that usually insurance give it to you, they're not really mine. Just one page that I have mentioned to upload that and you will get approved easily. And these are 7 things that I'm sharing with you today about Thailand Pass in the past 10 days that we have experienced. So I hope that you use this trick to uploading your document, and good luck for everyone. And I hope you get your Thailand Pass very soon and get to come to Thailand too. Welcome to Thailand, amazing Thailand. Thank you so much and thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Thank you. Bye bye. สวัสดีค่ะ